In this video, I will show you how to play Goat Simulator 3 split screen in 2024. Goat Simulator 3 is a brand new third-person sandbox adventure game in which you get to become a literal goat. But what is life as a goat without friends to explore with, right? Goat Simulator 3 will let you gather a herd of friends to wreak havoc on the world together. Now, in order for you to share a screen or split screen on Goat Simulator 3, all you have to do is to do this. You have to make sure that you have already connected at least two or more Xbox controllers to your Xbox. You have to start the game with your primary Xbox controller. Then player 2 in the title screen, press the Xbox button on the controller you want to use. Player 2 must go to the Profile and System tab and select Add or Switch and select Add Guest. On the title screen, player 2 will hold the X button on your controller to join the session. You have to repeat steps 2 and 4 until you have all players who are gonna join the game on the title screen. Then the player 1 can start the game with the primary Xbox controller by selecting New Game or Continue if you have already played. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helps you a lot.